Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to install my hood vents. Keep in mind these vents are universal, so you don't necessarily have to install them the same way I do onto my car. Some tools you're going to need for this install include a drill with various size drill bits, a hammer and a center punch or a nail to make the guides for the drill bit, some measuring tape and some tape, a sanding block and a file to grind down the metal after you do the cutting, a cutting wheel or disc to make the cuts, some safety gloves and glasses, and obviously the vents, the hardware, and the included templates. For this install, I recommend removing the hood before doing the cuts and the measuring. This will allow you to get around the hood a lot easier than having it on the car. So that's going to be the first step. So here's where the hood sits right now. I took measurements on both ends from this point to this point where the tape meets the hood scoop. Put a long piece of tape all across. That's my base. I set the vents on that base and angled them exactly how I wanted it. And then took 2 pieces of tape on both ends and stretched them across the front of the hood to make sure it sits even. And then what I did was I took measurements from these points, the drill points, to this black marker and other reference points on the hood to make sure the distances were equal on both sides. Let me see if I can show you with one hand. From that point to this farther circle, it's 13 inches. I can do the same on this end of the hood. From that point to here, there you have it, 13 inches. And before doing any cuts, you want to make sure you drill those holes just in case the template gets shredded. First set is in. Now I just need to finish trimming out the support piece on this one and I can throw the other set in. Looks good, fitment's good. Here it is, the finished product. Vents are installed. I might do some more trimming on the inside so you don't see those metal shards, but for the most part, they came out perfect. Now to do his hood. That's good. Same exact process as my car. Remove the hood, lay the templates, take measurements. After you've measured several times, drill your holes, cut out the internal piece of the template.
Damn, I really got the fucking place on it.
Trim whatever you gotta trim.
YouTube doesn't allow cussing anymore. Okay, levántalo.
That's good.
I ain't got time for this old man's vlog. Levántale.
That's about it. Nothing much to install. As long as you have the tools, you can do it. Here's mine again.